will do unboxing this one, the E1 Samsung A1 A11 Samsung. Ayan. A11 Samsung. E11 Samsung. Ayan, got two. The black and the blue. Okay, I will open first the black color. Ayan. Okay. Samsung Galaxy A11. Ayan, you can see the box. Okay, you can see. Okay. Ching, okay, Samsung. Okay. This one is the open first. Ah, this one the manual. Okay, quick start guide. For guide. This one. Quick start guide. Samsung 11 guys. Samsung 11. Okay, I will put it here. Okay, I'll put it here first. Okay. Here it is. The Samsung Galaxy A11. Ayan. See, you can see it still have the plastic. Okay. Ayan. I let it. I haven't charged this one. You see. Then I need to charge this one guys so that so I need to charge this one. Okay. Then this one, the charger. The charger. Ayan. The charger. Oh. You can see. Ayan. The charger. And this one is the for putting the SIM card. This one. The pin. Ayan. Okay. And the earpiece. Ayan. The earpiece. Okay, that's all. Then later I will show you if I charge already. Because I haven't charged the I need to charge first this one. Okay. Because it is just unboxed, just open. I need to charge. Then it's a black color guys, black color. You can see the camera, three camera. You see the three, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then another one, the blue. Okay, I will unbox this one. The blue color. Okay. Okay, I will unbox the blue color. This one. You can see Samsung Galaxy 11. Samsung Galaxy 11. Then Very hard. I need to open. Really difficult. Okay, I'll open the blue. Oh, and okay, the same. This one is the manual. Okay, quick start guide. Okay, you can see it's the manual. It's a guide. Okay, wait, I will move aside the other one. Then okay, and this is, see, Samsung Galaxy A11. It's a blue color. See? Okay, this one just now, the one that I opened, is a black color. You can see the difference. It's this one is the black color. Okay. And this one is the blue color. So, I opened already the black color. And now it's the black color I opened already. So, this one, the black color I opened. Okay. Then it's the same, the charger, and later I will show you when I will charge already I will testing this one. I will charge later so that you can see also inside of the Samsung A11. Okay, this is the charger and the earpiece. Okay. Okay, this is the earpiece, and this is the inside is the pin for the SIM card. Okay, and that's it. That's all. I got two Samsung 11, the black color and the blue color, and I got a glass screen protector. Glass screen protector, because when we order online, got free glass screen protector. Okay, this is to protect the phone, right? To protect the phone so that it will not rush or your hands is watery. So the glass of the phone, so to take care of the phone, so we need to put the glass screen protector, right? Okay, so that's why I prepared to put the glass screen protector of these two phones. So that's it, guys. So later I will charge the phone, then I will show you all the inside of the phone. Okay, this is the Samsung Galaxy A11, the black color and the blue color. Okay, I will show you all. Okay. Okay, I will show you all. Okay, you can see the new Samsung 11. I like to use the Samsung 11, guys, because the camera also is nice, very clear. So later if I charge, then I will show you. Ipakita ko sa inyo pag naka-charge na ang loob. Ayan. Okay, here it is ka. Ito na, guys, yung phone naka-charge na. Magtitingnan natin yung camera. Okay, you can see camera. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan ang camera. Then the apps. Okay, here's the Google. You can see the Google, the Gmail. You can see all the apps. Then this one. You see, this is the blue color on behind. The behind is blue color. And that all, as you can see, I put the design already. See? Yan. The apps. Yan. Ayan siya. This is the blue tone. The other one is the black. Okay. This is all the apps. And that. Okay, that's it.